It's an original Catalan piece from the Barcelona area, Catalonia in Spain. And we'll just play a couple things and see what you guys think, okay?
Before you begin to play, can I say hello and welcome and thank you for coming to play with the birds?
Absolutely.
And I know that would you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Mathew, and my secondary instrument is the flute. I also play the tuba, but I doubt that the birds would want to hear that. And so I'm going to play a couple songs, and the first one is called The Carol of the Birds.